without any delay, let me introduce you to So what even is an equal? For that, we have to break the word into two. Ani and fly. Ani stands for animate, whereas cleanser stands for command line interference. Before getting to fun part, please subscribe and like this video. It motivates me to make more videos like these. Unironically is a program that lets you run anime on your CMD. It ends the struggle of finding a good anime website. So this is Unironicly GitHub page. I will link this page below in the description. Feel free to check it. Some information about Unironicly as I mentioned before. Every operating system and distros has its own install due to different package manager. As I have Linux storage, I will be installing using a UART. So unsee is available for both Windows and Linux. You can also run it on Android using Termux. To get the installer command for Linux Arch, I have to go here in the Linux section. Get this command. Let's go to CMD and install it. Paste the command and press enter to install it. Press yes for start. As you can see it started, it will finish quickly as it is done installing. Let's open it. Just type an icon to open it. Let's search an anime to see if it works. From here you can select the episode of the anime. You can see here it works flawlessly. Here is where you can go to previous and next episode. Let's change quality. There are many options for quality. As you can see, it runs flawlessly. Unironically looks cool and is very easy to work with. Thank you for watching this video. Our next video will be on distros used by. If I have uploaded the video, it will be here.